How to fix Facebook Lite. Preparing please wait error. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the preparing please wait. Try switching to Wi-Fi and restarting the app to resolve the issue error on Facebook Lite. If your app just won't load and keeps getting stuck on that preparing please wait screen, even after you've switched networks or restarted the app, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just follow these simple steps, and we'll have your Facebook Lite working again in no time. All right, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook Lite. If you see an update button next to the app, go ahead and tap it. Updating ensures you're running the latest version, and most of the time, these updates fix bugs and loading problems automatically. Next, let's clear out any old files that might be causing the glitch. Open your phone's settings, then scroll down and tap Apps. Now tap Manage Apps, or App Management, depending on your device. In the search bar, type Lite, and select Facebook Lite from the list. Once you're in the App Info screen, tap Storage, then tap Clear Data, then Clear Cache. Confirm by selecting OK when prompted. Don't worry, this won't delete your Facebook account, photos, or messages. It just removes temporary files that might be slowing things down. Now, go back one step and tap Force Stop, then confirm by pressing OK. This completely closes the app so it can start fresh the next time you open it. After that, return to your home screen and restart your phone by holding down the power button and selecting Restart. Once your device turns back on, open Facebook Lite again. At this point, the preparing please wait issue should be fully resolved and your app should load smoothly. And that's it. This method works in most cases to fix the loading or connection issues on Facebook Lite quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fast and easy tech fix tutorials.